on that day that I had that incredible encoding session, we didn't let Blizzard know quite right away, but I couldn't hold it back that much. I couldn't withhold that information for too long because it was just so damn exciting. And they had already agreed to pay us more money, so that part was taken care of. And the fact that it took such a short time and was such an improvement, and they kind of got their way, it ended up not really being an issue at all. And everybody was very excited about the new direction and the way that it turned out.